Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, and today's Friday, November 5th, 2021. It is 1:49 and 23 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, inflammatory cytokines. So let's hop to it here. Inflammatory cytokine levels may predict outcomes in orthopedic trauma patients. Date November 3rd, 2021. Source, Wiley. Inflammatory cytokines are molecules that are secreted by immune cells to promote inflammation. A study found that measuring inflammatory cytokines may help predict patient outcomes after traumatic injury, which is a leading cause of mortality in individuals under 50 years of age. In the study of 58 patients with an average age of 40 years who experienced severe bone, joint, and muscle trauma, 6 patients, 10% suffered pulmonary complications, and 9% had acute kidney injury. Adding the cytokine interleukin 6 to predictive models of patient outcomes, such as what is called the new injury severity score, significantly improved predictions of pulmonary complications, the need for intensive care, and the length of hospital stay. Adding the cytokine interleukin 8 significantly improved predictions of acute kidney injury. And this is the first time researchers have combined parameters of external anatomic injury with parameters of the internal physiologic response to injury cytokines to determine trauma patient outcomes. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.